In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Calendar class schedule. Whether you're a student managing a packed semester or a teacher organizing multiple classes, this guide will streamline your weekly schedule planning. Let's dive in and get your calendar set up efficiently. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to gain access. Once you're there, you'll see the default calendar view, which usually shows you the current week. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You should see a plus symbol or a create button. This is where your scheduling magic begins. Clicking it will open a new event dialog, which will allow you to fill in all the necessary details for your class or event. Alternatively, you can also click directly on a specific day or time in the calendar view to start creating an event at that exact time. When you've opened the event creation window, it's time to enter the event title. This is where you'll type in the name of the class or event. For example, if it's a history class, you might call it History 101. Choose a name that makes the event easily recognizable so you can spot it at a glance. Moving down to the date and time section, here you'll specify when this class or event is happening. Be sure to set the correct start and end time to avoid any confusion later. If this is a recurring class, like one that meets every Monday and Wednesday, use the repeat option. You can set it to weekly or as needed, customizing it to fit your unique schedule. Now there's the option to add a description. This is optional, but it's a great spot for jotting down additional details about the class or event. Whether it's room numbers, assignments, or important reminders, this field can be invaluable for keeping track of everything in one place. If your class or event has a physical location, you can add that information as well. Simply type in the address or location details so that it's clear where you need to be. This step is particularly helpful when you're on the go and need quick access to directions. You can also add guests to the event. If you're sharing this with a class, or perhaps colleagues, include their email addresses in the guest section. This ensures everyone is on the same page and gets notifications regarding any changes or updates. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary fields, go ahead and click save, and with that your event is officially added to your Google Calendar. Now you've mastered the steps to create a detailed Google Calendar class schedule. This tool will help you stay organized and prepare for each week effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.